Okay guys, I'm going to show you really quickly how you can add these macros to Excel. So I've got an Excel workbook open, and what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your developer tab is showing. So in the file menu, you're going to go down to options, and then you're going to go to customize ribbon and make sure that there is a check mark for your developer tab. Click OK. That then adds this tab to the top of Excel. This is your developer tab, so now you can go into and view your different macros. I'm going to record a macro. This is what will be called macro 2, and you can put a hotkey in here if you want to add a key, so then you can just hit control on that key when you're in Excel, and that will automatically run your macro. You can also hold down the shift key and push a letter, and that will do control shift R, then will run macro 2. Click OK there. I am going to click around in here to just add some information. Then I'm going to go back to the developer tab and click on stop recording that macro. Now I would like to view my current list of macros that I have, so I'm clicking on my macros here, and then I have macro 2 listed here, and I would like to view that and see some of the options. So I'm going to click on options, and that will show me exactly how I set this up, and then if I want to click on edit, it gives me this error message that I need to open what's called the personal workbook. So all of your macros are held in this place called the personal.xls macro workbook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to find this workbook here. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to my view tab and unhide my personal workbook. This personal workbook is where all of the macros are held. So there's just basically two windows that are open. I'm going to minimize that. You can work from any workbook you want to. I'm just going back to this original workbook that we're in. Now I can open up, I can view the options and I can edit this. As you can see, the macro information, this is programming in VBA, and so anything that I put in here is what is going to execute. It's called anything with a apostrophe before it is ignored by the code, and so everything right there is just ignored. You'll need a sub macro and then close parentheses, and then at the very end of your program you need an end parentheses. So if I go and I grab the macro information that I sent to you guys in Slack, and I just copy and paste that entire thing, I can then go into here, delete this out, and paste in my entire program, and then save that, and now my macro will be saved, and so all the information that I use can be run, and all the information of programming can be done for you.